Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're playing Tower of Hell once again with the Python Plays, the ultimate King Master Boy. This guy right here. So hope you guys enjoy. I would be racing with him. First out of I think first out of two wins, okay? Hey! I just did my intro. First out of two wins, okay?
Okay, mute your.
Come on, it starts next round. Come on, let's go. Ah, I fell.
Hey guys, today we're playing with Gengar on Roblox. He's on YouTube. He's also a Tower of Hell YouTuber. Anyways, we're gonna be. Oh my god, I just died. We're gonna be.
I died.
What? Wait, I forgot to have them. Hey guys, we're with Gengar on YouTube. He's a Tower of Hell YouTuber. Anyways, we're gonna be
Racing,
so,
yeah. I'm muted so he doesn't hear this, guys.
So enjoy.
Yeah. And he doesn't even put my channel in the lane. Oh my god, guys. Let's go, race. Come on, it starts. You don't even say the link of my channel's in the description. I'm literally gonna put your channel in the description. Are you being focused right now? No. I'm gonna mute myself on Discord and I'm gonna mute myself on my video, or my... Oh yeah, I forgot some music. So I'm gonna probably lose. I don't care. It's just a fun race. It's not like a $10 million, no, 10 million Rebix, race like Pink Leaves. Rebix.
Oh, I'm on green.
You're on green. What should I play? The Fat Rat Electrified, Time Lapse, Rise Up, or Fly Away?
I know what I'm doing.
I'm gonna play Rise Up.
Dude, you're gonna oof on green.
You're gonna... Okay. I think I was on green. No ad.
Get up. You went.
Oh, wait. Mute.
One.
I don't care. I am going to just play music from Tower of Hell. On 4 volume. Yeah, okay, 4 volume.
Yeah.
Literally. 3 volume there. Because I can't say 4.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Please, can you guys just finish it quicker so we can get speedy? And I can't have to record for more over 15 minutes and the race would be a freaking waste. Thank you, YouTube, for putting a 15 minutes max length of recording. You're the best
oh my
ever.
god, my screen
I
recordings
love
are
you.
not. Brother,
Okay. I literally fell. I mean, I died. What? Wait, how about let's just split this into 2 parts so I won't have to. Yeah. So let's just have 2 rounds this video, and then we'll make another video which has 2 rounds too, right? So just literally 2 parts.
Okay.
Yeah?
So did I win?
Yeah, you won. You won this round. Cause I was noob and I was preparing for music. Oh yeah. I was preparing for music. I was editing my video while doing my video.
How about next round's the real round?
What?
I
Next
didn't
round
think
what?
you were gonna
I
be able
can't
to
hear
pass
you.
me.
I can't hear you. What did you freaking say? I can't grammar.
I didn't know you were gonna be able to pass me.
Pass who?
I honestly.
Oh.
How did you pass green?
Oh, I played that stage a bunch of times. It's easy.
Yeah, but I don't get how you could pass that, but you can't do the bears. Brother, I'm catching up. Sisters. I was just about to do this crazy
Shortcut. Yes, I have shortcut. Oh, can I make it while times 2 and there's 10 seconds? Come on. Come on. No. Okay, come on. Another what is it called?
Okay, I'm screen recording, right?
No, I hate this.
Oh, I knew an epic skip, and I did it with my bud.
No, I suck. Okay, so you win the first round. Hopefully, get moved.
Epic game.
I did it. I keep on failing the What the heck? Epic gamer skills.
I did an actually good skip, and now I'm on the.
I did an actually good skip.
It's like
I fell from the skip. What am I doing? Okay, I don't care. You can win these 2 races. Next episode, you're dead. Cause next episode we're gonna mute each other. So, or I'm gonna mute myself. You just stay silent as possible, and then we could just wreck it. Did you fall? Did you fall? Yay! I'm on 3rd stage.
This round counts.
I mean 2nd stage. Ooh, dodge them lasers, boy. Dodge them lasers. Dodge them lasers. Yeah!
Do you not know the skip where you go like around the ladder?
Yes. From the first
Okay,
stage.
that would have been sad.
On the first stage. I just did that.
Yeah.
I just did that. I just did that
really
shortcut.
Easy. Okay.
But I failed it like 3 times.
Because I could do it on.
Oh, I'm leading.
Yep. Oh, I lost.
Ooh. Bless you, boy.
This round.
I'm almost there. Why am I so calm when I'm just literally so close to the top? Because I don't want to freak out like last time and literally just fall all the way down and I just die. But I am just
gray one easy.
Gray one easy, but gray one hard at the same time.
Oh, that guy just. He just hacked and died. I call that.
Ooh, I almost fell. I fell.
Yes,
But I fell on the stage, like when I fell from a Oh my god! I nearly landed right next to a kill brick, but it didn't kill me.
What do you do on that stage that your phone?
It's literally just. Can I share my screen? Application window, this one. This. Why is this so hard? Look. Can you see my screen? Look at my freaking screen. Look at my screen. I'm screen sharing. I don't care.
How are you dying so much?
I don't know. I am not. No! I hate this so much. No.
I just saw your limbs everywhere. And I just thought.
I am a thought.
Okay, at least these are easy though, the first.
I know.
Even though I keep oofing on.
Oof. I keep on oofing. It's almost gonna turn 15 minutes. This is not literally gonna count if we don't speed it up.
If I win, I'll be so happy.
Yeah,
I want to see which stage you kept falling on. Like, what it was.
Can you just please win? I just literally just want you to win so I can literally just stop my torture. And I can just win 2 times in a row next video. Okay.
Oh my God.
The stage I fell on is so easy. Why do I keep on falling on a stage that is so easy?
Great is easy. How are you oofing?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Okay.
I'm kind of disappointed.
Me too. I am literally.
Oh my God, I just did a good skip too.
Bruh. Me too. I tried to do that skip, but I literally jumped. I mean, I didn't jump, but I kind of. Yes! Thank you, God!
I'm literally right in front of you, though. I did not die.
Yes. Yosh.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I did it because I walked off the. Brother. Why do I suck?
Why do I suck when I'm recording? I'm such a pro when I'm not recording. Why do I suck when I'm recording?
I know. Actually, I'm so good when I record.
Sometimes I'm good.
5 minutes to.
Okay, bye. I'm making a video.
What time are you gonna stop? You started at
Hey, I'm on grid. Come on. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. I can orchestrate a metal shin chai lai. No! I see you. Get nude, me. Imagine I die on this stage.
8 minutes to do this. I'm very. Oh my God!
No, I am literally right. I'm literally right on your tail. Look, I'm literally right here. No. Okay. I'm gonna do my outro.
It's saying that it's not saving. It's not saving.
I'm gonna do my outro. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.